All right, so you see, guys, this is what happens when I use my Miracle Growth Water. See that? And I use this one. You guys have been seeing me show you this one and telling you do not put all this rice in it. But look at that. Look at that. And she's not mixed. Yeah. I don't even need you. Go sit down. See that? She ain't mixed. I'm blowing her hair out, but look how healthy. Look how healthy that hair is. No chemicals. Strong. Look at her curl pattern. All right. I just wanted to show you guys that for those of you that may have been thinking that I alter pictures or whatever. See that? That's past the chair. Yeah. You too can get long hair like that. Miracle Growth Water by ADWA. And y'all know I talk sugar honey iced tea shit all the time.